everyone, welcome back. We're going to go and have a look at student services today. So I'm standing in main reception again, and I'm going to walk you over there so you can see what student services look like. Now this is almost like the reception for the students. So this is where you can contact your parents, this is where letters are dropped off, and it's a very important place in the school. So let's go over there and have a look. Here we are at Student Services. So this is basically the reception for students at the school. So if there's any letters you need to give in, if there's any admin points you need, if you need help being able to find out passwords or get information for your parents, this is where you come. And a few things to be able to point out for it. So in here we have a member of staff that should be on duty at all times. And if you just knock on the window that's closed here, as soon as they can, they'll answer you. But bear in mind they might be on the phone. This is also where the absence line is for parents, so it can get very busy. And you just want to give Mrs. Ford, who's normally on duty here, a little bit of a second for that one. Some other areas are really important around student services. If you need letters, we have spare copies of letters inside, and you need to knock to go to Mrs. Ford. But if it's a copy that goes out to everybody in your form, then over here, on this side, we have our form pigeonholes. And our form pigeonholes are very important, because this is where all the information will get delivered to your form every day. Now, this might range from letters, announcements, important information you don't want to miss. You would really hate to miss a letter about going on a trip just because someone forgot to check the form pigeonhole. So your form tutor is going to put somebody in charge of checking it every day. You don't need to come here and check it all the time, and it's not a personal one for you, it goes to the whole form. So we ask people to check it before registration in the morning and in the evening as well, just before we're going to go back after lunch. So that's the 2 times that we would go and check that. But essentially, if you've got any questions in the school, any admin points, any things that you need to be able to check, this is the best place to come to, and Mrs. Ford is the best person to talk to.